Hey guys, welcome back to Manda's kitchen. So today's recipe is a summer special recipe which is a Maharashtrian recipe. It is called Sandge. To start the recipe, here I have washed 1 cup of split yellow lentils, 1 cup of split chickpea. Also wash and get ready 500 grams of split moth beans. Once all the lentils are washed and ready, now add in some water and soak them overnight. In the morning, the lentils have nicely soaked in water and are now ready for the recipe. Now drain away the water and wash the lentils a couple of times. Once the lentils are nice and clean, grind them into a grinder. To make perfect sanga, we require a little coarse batter, so avoid water while grinding. Now add in this coarsely ground mixture of all the lentils into a container, give it a mix, then add in a handful of coriander. Now goes in half a tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon chili powder, salt as per taste, half tablespoon of coriander powder, and give this all a nice mix. Our sandga mixture is now ready. Now here I am taking a big plate and now I am greasing it with some oil. You can use ghee instead. Now take a little bit of mixture and try to make sandge as shown in the video. Use your thumb and fingers to give the sandga a nice shape. Here I am making a little big size sandge so that once the mixture dries, the size of the sandge will shrink. Similarly, get ready all the sandge. Now let the sandge dry for about 2 to 3 days under the sunlight. Once the sandge has completely dried, store them in an airtight container and use them to make delicious curry or bhaji. For more such recipes, subscribe to my channel.